Hi folks, welcome back to our channel where we give you the tips and tricks for all your remodeling needs. I'm Joe Ferranti Gennaro and I'm with the Bath and Kitchen Gallery, and we're here to go over the differences between countertops in a kitchen. When you're making a countertop selection, the two main products that we're installing would either be granite or a quartz countertop. And I get asked a lot of times, why is quartz the most popular thing to put in your kitchen? And I try to explain it. If you think about a pie shape of pricing of countertops of, let's say, granite, level 1 being the least expensive, level 10 granite being the most expensive. The colors that are popular in granites are like a 4, 5, 6. They're lighter colors, and that is definitely the most popular colors that are out now. And in that range of 4, 5, 6, maybe 7 or 8, those granites are more porous. And nobody really wants to do a lot more maintenance in their kitchen. That is where the quartz comes into play. The quartz countertops have the lighter colors. They're about in the same pricing as those middle price granites, but they don't have the maintenance of a granite countertop. If you want to learn more about countertop selections, go to tampakitchenandbath.com and visit our social media sites.